Now let's wait for students get connected and then we'll start. This is clear now. Okay, now I think students are connected. We'll wait. For those who are getting connected, just write your name. So we'll start according to that. And hello everyone, this is Prasun Tiwari from Tiwari Academy. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 1, part 2. In that we will be discussing about the proving whether the given number is a rational number or not. And next we will be solving some questions of checking whether the given number is terminal number, terminated number or non-terminated number, repeated or recurring. Then few more points of that. So these are the highlights you can say which we are going to cover. So we will be covering 3 to 4 topics of this chapter in this section, particular section. Okay. Yeah, I think those students who are getting connected right now, I think that there are 4 students who are connected. So everyone please write your name so I can have the clear idea that who is live and who's not. So I'll say start according to that. Those who are connected, please write your name. Okay, so I think now we'll start. Okay, so should I wait for a few minutes? Let the student get connected. Okay, so in this chapter, in the last video, you find that we had discussed about how to prove whether the given number is a irrational number or not. Now, we will be solving some questions related to that and we'll move forward in this section. Okay, so the lastly, we had discussed about proof that whether the given number is a irrational number or not. So, suppose if I take the one number, suppose that number is 2 root 45. 2 root 45 plus 3 root 20 upon 2 root 5. Check whether the given number is a irrational number or not. Okay, that is the question. Now, how to solve such kind of questions? In 9th standard, we had studied about the rationalization of the given number. Rationalization. So, what we have to do in the rationalization? We will multiply 2 root 5 upon 2 root 5. So multiply करेंगे इसको. Now what will be there? Now this 2 root 5 will multiply this. So that will be 4 root 45 5 are. So 5 5 are 25. Carry 2 and 5 4 are 20 plus. So 22. Plus 2 multiplies that, so that will be 6 root 25 are 100. Upon 2, so that will be 4 root 25. Now see, whatever the number is outside, that will be multiplied with the outside number, root will be multiplied with the root. That is what we have got. Now let us manipulate this. After the manipulation, what we will get? 225. That can be written as 15 square. So we will be getting 4 into 15 plus 6 into 10 upon 4 into 5. Okay, now what? 14 5 are 70 plus 6 10 are 60. 14 5 are 60. Sorry. 14 5 are 60 upon 4 5 are 20. So 60 plus 60, that is the 120. So we will get 120 upon 20. 0 0 cancel. 2 6 are 12. So the ultimate answer is 6. Means the value of this number is 6. Now 6 is not an irrational number. 6 is a rational number. 6 is a rational number. So definitely we can say this given number is an rational number, not an irrational number. Okay. Now let us take another example and try to prove whether the given number is a rational number or irrational number. So let's work according to that. And suppose we are having a one question. Suppose we are having a one question that is a 7 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number or not. We are having a one question. Prove that or check that whether 7 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number or not. Now see, in the question What we have to think of about the question, just read the question twice or thrice when you are in the doubt case whether you know this sum or not. What you have to do, you should be doing what? Should be reading the questions twice and thrice to get the clear cut idea what is the question is asking. Okay, so the question is asking prove that 7 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. 7 minus 2 root 3. 7 minus 2 root 3. That is an irrational number. I think the board is disturbing because of the light. Let me switch off the light. Let us see. We are having a problem of light or not. If it is not, it will be. Okay, I think we don't have any problem of light, so we'll continue with this only because it is getting the problem of that. Okay, so 7 minus 2 root 3. That is what we need to prove. Now 7 minus 2 root 3, as we know what we have to do, suppose this whole number is a rational number. Suppose this whole number is a rational number. Now what we know, 7 तो as it is हमें पता है 7 तो rational number है. Problem कहाँ पे है हमारे पास? 2 root 3 के लिए हमारे पास problem. किसके लिए problem है? 2 root 3 के लिए. So how we can go with this? We can go with this what? Suppose root 3 is only a rational number. If we prove root 3 is a rational number, this whole number will be the irrational number. Okay? So what we can do? We can say this whole number is a rational number that can be written as a upon b. Now 7 will go on that side. That will be minus 2 root 3 is equal to a upon b minus 7. Okay? Now minus is there, so take the minus also that side if you want, otherwise you can keep it over here. That will be minus 2 root 3 is equal to, this will be multiplied a minus 7b upon b. Okay? Now what? Minus 2 will be on that side. So root 3 is equal to a minus 7b upon minus 2b. So that is what we have got. Okay? So this is up to the first step. This is the first step of our sum. Now what? Now just follow. Just if you have seen my last video, I had explained that how we can prove whether the given number is a irrational number or not. Now what? Now take root 3 is equal to p upon q, and which is a rational number. Now our aim is to prove that root 3 is an irrational number. If we prove root 3 is a irrational number, then by this what we are root 3, if root 3 is equal to this whole number and root 3 is a irrational number, then this whole number will be a irrational number. So that is what we have to prove. Now just prove the root 3 is an irrational number, so you will get the answer. Such kind of questions will be asked for 4 marks or 3 marks in board examination. In the both boards, whether it is a CBSE board or whether it is a Gujarat board or whether it is a ISSC board, in any board of examination, when it is a 2 term of the number and you need to prove that, for this up to this you will get 1.5 marks, and for the rest you will get, if it is for 3 marks, 1.5 marks, or if it is a 4 marks, so you will be getting 2.5 marks for the proving the rest. Okay, so that is how we can prove this one. Now let us take another example of this such kind of questions. Suppose it is given as 5 minus 2 root 3. Once again, 5 minus 2 root 3. So similarly, if it is a question of 5 minus 2 root 3, once again you can go like that only. If you need that I should prove root 3 is equal to irrational number also, then message me in the chat. So I will be proving root 3 is equal to irrational number also in that case. Okay, next question is what? That is 5 minus 2 root 3. So we will take the supposition. Supposition will be what? Suppose this is p upon q, where p and q are the irrational number. Irrational number where p and q are the non-coprime number. That statement will be written every time when you are solving the sum in your board examination. That is very much clear, and you should be taking care of that. What if you are writing in your board examination or any examination, each and every time you will have to write the statement, and which statement it will be 5 minus root 3 is equal to p upon q, where p and q are the non-co-prime number and they are supposed to be a rational number. Okay. So once again taking this on that side, so minus 2 root 3 is equal to p upon q minus 5. So this is p minus 5 q upon q. Now taking minus 2 on that side, so this will be root 3 minus 2q. You can write like this also, or what you can write, just keep 2 this side only, take minus on that side. So that will be, this is minus, now 2 root 3 minus only on that side, so that will be 5q minus p upon q. Minus outside लोगे तो symbol change हो जाएंगे, that is why we have done this. Okay. Now root 3 is equal to what? 5q minus p upon 2q. Okay. So this is the term. Once again prove the root 3 is equal to this. So you get your reach to the answer. Okay. So that is how we can prove that whether the given number is a rational number or irrational number. Now second topic of this chapter, this topic is that is proving or finding whether the given number is a terminating number or non-terminating number, and if it is a terminating number, then what will be the decimal expansion of the given number? Okay, so let us start taking with a few fast examples. Suppose we are having the first example, that is a question is given. Suppose the question is without actual performing the long division. Question is like this. Without actual performing the long division, state whether the following rational number will have the terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion, repeating decimal expansion. क्या बिना actual division किए हमें पता लगाना है कि क्वेश्चन जो दिया गया है वो टर्मिनेटिंग है, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है तो रिपीटिंग है कि नहीं. ठीक है, that is what we have to check. Now what? Now let us have a one question and see how we can do that easily. अब उससे पहले क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने से पहले आई वुड लाइक टू जस्ट टॉक अबाउट दैट रैंडमली. सपोज करो अगर आपके पास 435 या 0890 ऐसे एक नंबर दिया गया. ठीक है, एंड आई थिंक इट इज नॉट विजिबल, सो आई राइट इन द फ्रंट मार्कर. Suppose the question is 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, this is the question. अब इसको आपको डिवाइड करने के लिए बोला गया है 1000 से. तो बिना किसी टेंशन के आप सीधा आंसर लिख सकते हो. कितना जीरो है? 3 जीरो. 3 डेसिमल यहाँ लगा दो. 235.689. You will write this answer. इधर ये आ गया आंसर. ठीक है, अब ये आंसर आ क्यों गया इतना आसानी से? आप कैसे बता पाए? क्योंकि नीचे जो था यहाँ पे सारे जीरो. नीचे यहाँ पे क्या है? सारे के सारे जीरो. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू कैन से यस सर दिस इज वेरी मच पॉसिबल. इसका मतलब ये मैं बता क्यों रहा हूं, क्योंकि अगर डिनोमिनेटर में आप 10 के मल्टीपल में, इन द डिनोमिनेटर अगर आप 10 के मल्टीपल में भी ला सकते हो नंबर्स को, तो वो आपके लिए आसान हो जाएगा इस नंबर को डेसिमल एक्सपांशन बिना लॉन्ग डिवीजन किए फाइंड कर पाना. ठीक है, तो वही हम करेंगे. जैसे पहला क्वेश्चन में जो मिला है वो मिला है 315/16. We are going to have the first question, that is a 315/16. 315/16. अब इसको हमें पता लगाना है कि ये जो सम है, इस सम को हम, ये सम टर्मिनेटिंग है, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है, कैसा है वो पता लगाएंगे और चेक करना है हमें कि इसका डेसिमल एक्सपांशन क्या होगा बिना वो भी लॉन्ग डिवीजन किए. ठीक है, तो चलो करते हैं. Now as you can see 315 upon 2 raised to 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. अब 2 raised to 4 तो आ गया हमारे पास, लेकिन हमें क्या लाना था यार, in the form of hundreds, thousands और tens. अब अगर मान लीजिए नीचे हमें 10 लाना है तो हमें क्या चाहिए 5 into 2. एक 2 तो हमारे पास आ गया यहाँ पे, लेकिन हमारे पास 5 नहीं है. We don't have 5 into that. Okay, we don't have 5 into that. What we have 2 only. So if I write into 5 raised to 4, if I write here 5 raised to 4, then what? अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 5 raised to 4 किया, तो we know that formula a raised to n into b raised to n is equal to what? ab raised to n. Means 2 5s are 10, 10 raised to 4 will be there. 2 5s are 10, 10 raised to 4. But मैथ्स हमें लिबर्टी तो देता है कि कोई भी मैनिपुलेशन आप करो, लेकिन उसके साथ में एक रिस्ट्रिक्शंस देता है. दैट रिस्ट्रिक्शन इज व्हाट? वैल्यू शुड नॉट बी चेंज. तो अगर मैं नीचे यहाँ पे 5 raised to 4 लिख रहा हूँ, तो कंपल्सरी आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई ओवर हियर 5 raised to 4. I'll have to multiply 5 raised to 4. Okay, so now 315 is there. So let us find the factor of 315 to make it little bit easier multiplication for you. So how we can do that? Let us find the factor of that. So we have the idea about that. How we can do that? So 315, as we know all of 5 is there, so that will be divisible by 5. So 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are. Now 63, so that will be by 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 1 7 3. So that will be 3 7 are and 7 and that 1. So what we are having? We have got this as a 3 square into 7 into 5 into 5 raised to 4 upon this become 10 raised to 4. This become 10 raised to 4. Now what? अब यहाँ पे 5 raised to 4 है, so that will be 5 raised to 5. So 9 into 7 into 5 raised to 5 upon 5 raised to 5 upon 10. 10 square 10 raised to 4, so that will be 10 के बाद 4 0. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 10 cube होता है तो 1000, 10 raised to 4, so that will be the 10,000. Now what? Whatever the number is given, suppose 5 raised to 5, that will be how much? 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125, 5s are 625, and 625 5s are. Let us do the multiplication. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, carry 1, 5 6 are so 31. So we have got 9 into 7 into 3125 upon this. Now whatever the number you are going to have, after that, but this will be the terminating number. This will be the terminating number, that is for sure we can write. Why? Because on the down we are having the multiples of 10 in the factor of 10. Okay, so by that we can say that 315 upon 16 is a terminating number. By that we can say that this is a terminating number. Okay, and next question, Ganji. Next question is 427 upon 625. upon 625. Okay. Now if you want to check whether this is a terminating or not, so as you can see 625, that is the 5 raised to 4. So we can write this like 427 upon 5 raised to 4. अब देखो हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम है इसको हमें 10 बनाना है. क्या बनाना है? 10. अब अगर मैं यहाँ पे एक 2 लिख दूं into 2 raised to 1. Now once again using which formula? Exponent का formula, that is a raised to n into b raised to n. So what we have to write over here? 4. What we have to write over? 4. Okay. Now writing the 4, That will make 5 2s are 10, 10 raised to 4 once again. Now this will be what? 427 upon 10,000. That is what? 40. So it will give 0.0427. So once again what we have got? We have got that 427 upon 625 will be a terminating number. It will be a terminating number. Sorry. This will not be the answer. As we have multiplied 2 raised to 4, so over here it will be 2 raised to 4 will be multiplied once again. So that will be 427 into 16 upon 10,000. Okay, so 427 into 16. So that will give you 16 12 2 carry 1 16 32 32 32 और 11 35 10 42 3 4 16 64 64 4 68. So something it will be 0.6832. Something that will be the answer. You can have the perfect calculation. You can have the 427 into 16, so you will get a clear idea about that. Okay. So not wasting your time, I will use. So that is the answer only. Okay. So that is how we can check the given number is a terminating number or non-terminating number. Okay. So this is how we can solve the sums of this. We can have the more question of this. Say for example, we can. Then the last topic of this chapter is that is converting the number into the tree form or using the prime factor form the tree. Using the prime factor form the tree of the any given number. That is the another which we can talk about that. Suppose we are having the number 7650. ये ट्री वाला नॉर्मली आता नहीं है कभी 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 पूछ लेते हैं. So you should be knowing that how it is. So suppose it is the number is 7650. 7650. Okay, now what we have to do simply, you don't need to go extra, do something. What you can do, you can just find the prime factor of this and we can go there. As you can see here is 0, so this will be divisible by 2. So we can have 2 here and in another branch we will see. 2 3s are 6, so 3 will be here, 1 is there, so 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now 5 is there, so this number must be divided by 5. So take here 5, 5 6 5 5 5 7 are 35, 3 is remaining. So 32, 5 6 are 30 and last 5 5s are 25. Once again 5 is there, so this will be divided by 5. So 5 is here. So 5 is there 5, 2 remaining 26, 5 5s are 25. Then once again 1 remaining, 5 3s are 15. We have got the next number that is a 153. I think 5 5 6 are 5 7 are 35, 3 is there, 5 6 are 30. I think we are going perfectly. 7650 divided by 23825. Okay, now we have got 153. Now 153, this cannot be divided by 2, this cannot be divided by 5. Let us count. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. So that can be divided by 3. So I am taking this over here. 153 divided by 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. 5 plus 1 6. So once again this can be divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 2 remaining, 3 7s are, and this is 17 1s are. So we have got this 3 starting from here. Now see, I have taken directly 5 here and 5 here. What you can do, you can check over here. See, that is what the basic rule is. We should be checking with the first coming prime factors. like 2, after 2, 3, after 3, 5. So I have taken directly over here 5, but instead of that, we should be taking 3 because this number is divisible by 3 also. How? 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So this means that this number can be divisible by, divided by 3 also. So we should be taking 3, 3 only, and then we'll go for 5. Okay, so that is the basic rule. But this is not wrong. This is not a wrong thing. So you can go 3, but that is a proper pattern. You should start from the 2, 3, and 5, and so on. Okay. So these are the two topics of this chapter, and I hope I have covered all the points of this chapter. If you find anything that I haven't missed, one thing is there that I haven't taken intentionally, that is the Euclid's lemma. Because of that, Euclid's lemma is now no more in the syllabus of CBSE, and most probably that will not be in the syllabus of GSEB also, because this time they are going to reduce so many things from this. So they will not be including that one also. So that is why I am not touching that topic. If final verdicts will be there, and if they are including in the topic, then we will be continuing. We will do one video for that also. Till then, keep watching and be safe and keep liking our video. Thank you, and subscribe our channels.